If you're following our Global Economic Outlook series, hit subscribe to stay updated with new country releases. Germany's economy in 2026 is characterized by persistent stagnation and only very modest recovery, reflecting a continuation of the slow growth dynamics that have weighed on Europe's largest economy over the past several years. After multiple years of weak or flat expansion, the headline Economic Performance, Employment Conditions, Price Pressures, and Public Finances outline a scenario in which the German economy remains sluggish with ongoing structural challenges well into 2026. The most telling indicator of Germany's economic stagnation is the GDP annual growth rate, which remains subdued compared with pre-pandemic trends. In 2025, Germany's GDP expanded by only about 0.2%, marking the first positive growth following years of contraction and near stagnation. This marginal increase represented a slight improvement, but underscored how far output has to recover from a multi-year downturn. For 2026, forecasts suggest a modest acceleration in GDP growth to around 0.8% to 1%, depending on the source and modeling assumptions. This slow pace of expansion highlights how the economy is only gradually emerging from stagnation, and remains well below the robust growth rates often associated with dynamic advanced economies. Despite this anticipated uptick, the term stagnation remains appropriate because the projected growth in 2026 still reflects weak economic momentum, particularly when viewed against the scale of Germany's industrial base and historical performance. While public spending on infrastructure and defense, as well as policy measures aimed at stimulating domestic demand, are expected to contribute positively to GDP growth in 2026, these effects are relatively modest and insufficient to propel the economy into a strong expansion. The persistent sluggishness in key sectors like manufacturing and exports continues to suppress overall output. The unemployment rate in Germany further illustrates the stagnation environment. Unemployment, which rose during the downturn and remained above historical lows, is expected to stay relatively elevated by German standards throughout 2025 and into 2026. Official data showed unemployment rate figures around 6.3% in late 2025, significantly above the sub-5% levels often associated with a tight labor market before the recent economic slowdown. Forecasts into 2026 indicate only a slight improvement, with unemployment expected to edge marginally lower as GDP growth slowly recovers. Despite the modest decline, labor market slack persists, and elevated joblessness compared with pre-crisis levels reflects weak demand for labor in an economy with limited cyclical dynamism. Labor market stagnation also affects wage and income dynamics. With subdued job creation and structural shifts in key industries, wage gains remain modest in real terms, limiting consumer spending power. This dynamic feeds back into overall demand, dampening consumption growth, which is a critical component of GDP. Monetary policy conditions in 2026 are shaped by the European Central Bank's stance for the eurozone, of which Germany is a part. With inflation pressures having eased from earlier peaks, interest rates have not been sharply tightened further, but remain at a level designed to balance inflation control with broader economic stability. As of early 2026, interest rates in Germany, via the ECB's main policy rate, stood at moderately elevated levels compared with earlier years, reflecting the broader eurozone monetary framework. While stable rates help maintain financial market confidence, they do not provide a strong stimulus to accelerate economic growth and therefore contribute to the stagnation narrative by maintaining a cautious monetary environment. Inflation in Germany has moderated significantly following the elevated price pressures seen in recent years due to energy shocks and supply-side disruptions. By the end of 2025 and into 2026, inflation rates had cooled toward around 2% or slightly below, closer to the European Central Bank's target band and considerably lower than the double-digit inflation experienced during price spikes in earlier years. Reduced inflationary pressure relieves cost burdens on households and firms, but it also reflects subdued demand conditions that are characteristic of an economy lacking strong growth momentum. Public debt dynamics reflect the structural constraints facing Germany's economy. Germany maintains a relatively moderate debt-to-GDP ratio compared with many other advanced economies, with figures in the range of around 62% to 65% of GDP projected for 2026. This relatively prudent debt profile provides some fiscal space to support investment and public spending. However, large infrastructure and defense investment plans, including significant multi-year funding initiatives, are expected to increase debt modestly as the government seeks to stimulate growth. High debt levels, even if moderate by international standards, require careful management to avoid undermining fiscal sustainability, particularly in an environment of low growth where revenue expansion is limited. The combination of subdued GDP growth, an elevated unemployment rate, moderate interest rates, controlled inflation, and steady but cautious debt dynamics shapes the 2026 profile of Germany's stagnating economy. These macroeconomic indicators collectively illustrate a situation in which growth remains weak and uneven, and significant structural headwinds persist. A central theme in Germany's economic narrative is the challenge of reinvigorating long-term growth drivers. Manufacturing, once the engine of German output and exports, has faced competitive pressures from global rivals and subdued external demand. Investment in innovation in high-value sectors has been slower to materialize than needed to offset these pressures. Export performance, historically a key contributor to GDP, has struggled due to weak global demand, trade tensions, and competitive pressures, further dimming growth prospects. Meanwhile, demographic trends, particularly population aging and a shrinking labor force, contribute structural headwinds that limit potential output growth and exacerbate stagnation. Germany's policymakers in 2026 face the dual challenge of maintaining macroeconomic stability while implementing structural reforms to enhance productivity, boost private investment, and diversify economic strengths. Public investment programs, particularly in infrastructure modernization and high-technology sectors, are intended to support growth in the longer term, but their effects on the broader economy in 2026 are still relatively muted. In the context of stagnation in 2026, consumer confidence remains cautious, and business sentiment is shaped by ongoing global uncertainties, including geopolitical risks, trade policy dynamics, and shifts in global supply chains. Firms tend to adopt conservative investment and hiring strategies, reinforcing the slow growth pattern. In summary, the German economy in 2026 reflects enduring stagnation characterized by restrained GDP growth, modestly positive but weak, an elevated unemployment rate with only slight improvement, stable monetary conditions with moderate interest rates, and eased inflation close to target levels, and a debt-to-GDP ratio that is manageable but constrains aggressive fiscal expansion. These conditions paint a picture of an economy that is transitioning out of deep stagnation but not yet achieving robust, self-sustaining growth. Renewed expansion remains fragile and contingent on structural reforms, increased investment, and stronger global demand, which will be key to shifting Germany away from its prolonged period of slow economic performance. For more data-driven insights and global market breakdowns, subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay informed, stay ahead. This is Economics FX, where clarity meets strategy. Until next time, trade smart.